Stocks are traded on stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, or NASDAQ. Companies are listed on these exchanges, and their stocks are bought and sold through brokers. Choosing stocks. Look for companies with a competitive advantage, strong financials, a track record of growth, and a promising future outlook. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in stocks from different sectors or industries. Investment strategies. Long-term investing. Buy and hold stocks with the expectation that they'll grow over time. This strategy requires patience and a focus on the company's fundamentals. Value investing. Look for undervalued stocks that have the potential to rise in value over time. Growth investing. Focus on companies with strong growth potential, even if their current valuations are higher. Buying stocks. You can buy stocks through brokerage accounts either online or with traditional brokerage firms. Decide how many shares you want to buy and place an order with your chosen broker. Diversification. Diversifying your portfolio by investing in different companies and industries can help spread risk. Risk management. Set a budget for investing in stocks and only invest what you can afford to lose. Stay informed about the companies you're invested in and be prepared for market fluctuations. Patience and long-term perspective. Investing in stocks is a long-term endeavor. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Focus on the company's performance and growth potential over time.